Hey guys, Justin here from GPI Printing Company. I want to spend a few seconds talking to you about our new product. This is a Gen 5 LT belt drive system for timing set. We want to talk about a few features. It's really cool. In fact, it requires absolutely zero machining to bolt on. That's right, bolt on belt drive timing set for the Gen 5 LT. Some of the features I really like about this are this 4X reluctor that bolts right on, and this cam sensor bracket is designed to utilize your Gen 5 LT cam sensor in the factory location. So your wiring harness, routed whatever way it was, bolts right on. One of the other things I really like about this is this idler. So right here you can adjust the tension with this idler via this eccentric, adjustable to 13/16 French. Under this would have been the factory oil pump. No longer there, man. You got to buy our external wet sump oiling system, or you can buy an external dry sump. We do include brackets to cover the hole that would have been feeding the front main and the hole that would have been feeding the rest of the block for the oiling pump system. We will include 2 plates that are O-rung to cover the hole that feeds the front main and the hole right here that would have been fed by the oil pump to feed the rest of the oiling system. If you got any questions, give James a shout on the live chat, hit up Kevin on the phones, or just hit up support at Guatney Performance. Thanks, guys.